So almost all origami that I'm doing will require square sheets to start with. Most people don't have origami paper on hand, so an easy substitute would be take basic printing paper or construction paper, anything that's a rectangle, and it only takes a second to scale it down. You need a hard surface, and that way you can really crease it so it'll tear easily. And it's only 2 folds. You just have to line it up well. And if it's not tearing easily, you can lick it with your tongue across there, across this crease, but I think this tears. And then for this computer paper, I would do it down one more time. So each piece you're using will give you 4 sheets to work with. And you would need 12 to make this. I think that one's about 140.